Start by accessing the Settings menu by clicking on the Start button and selecting the gear icon for settings.
For such informative videos about tech and soft tips, subscribe my YouTube channel ITFO.
On the laptop that will be your second monitor, open the Settings app. Navigate to the System section and scroll down to Optional Features. Click View Features next to add an optional feature. Scroll down to find the wireless display option and check the box next to it. Click Next, then click Add. This may take a while, so be patient. Once it's done, you should see a wireless display app in your Start menu. Once it's done, you should see a wireless display app in your Start menu. Follow these steps. Open the wireless display app on the laptop you're using as a second monitor. On your main PC, press Windows plus K to search for wireless displays. In the connection flyout, you can also check the box to allow mouse, keyboard, and other input from this device if you'd like to be able to interact with your main PC using the secondary laptop. Open the Settings app. Go to System and then choose Projecting to this PC. Use the drop-down menu under some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's OK, and choose either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on secure networks. If your laptop isn't connected to power when you do this, you may also want to disable the option labeled "This PC can be discovered only when it's plugged into a power source." This will allow it to be detected even when it's on battery power.